Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Welcome back to with me again. And now I'm going to share my review one of the most thrilling and mind-bending series on Netflix. You know, guys, the title is Alice in Wonderland. And this Japanese live action is based on manga read by Haro Aso, and it has quickly become one of the most talked about survival drama in recent years. When I first heard about Alice in Wonderland, I thought it would just be another typical survival show, and you know, guys, where people have to fight for their lives in a mysterious place. But after watching it, I realized it is much more than that. It's not only about survival, guys, but also about friendship, sacrifice, survival, humanity, and the meaning of life itself. And so, in this review, I talk about their main things, the story and setting, the character, and my personal talk about what makes this series so special. Part 1, in the body, the story and setting. Number 1, the story and setting. The story follow a young man named Arisu. The title in Alice in Wonderland, Arisu in English Alice, and in the Japanese Alice. Arisu. He is a gamer and a bit of a slacker who spend most of his time playing video game instead of focusing on his real life. One day, he and his two friends, Karube and Chota, his name, suddenly find themselves transported into an empty version of Tokyo, a mysterious parallel world where there are no people, no traffic, no noise. At first, they think it just strange dream. But they soon discover the truth. They are now trapped in a deadly game world now as the Wonderland. To survive, they must participate in dangerous game that test not only their intelligence and physical strength, but also their motivation and morals. Each game is represented by a playing card, heart, clubs, diamond, or spade, and each suite symbolizes a different type of challenge. For example, heart test emotional strength and relationship, club test teamwork, diamond test intelligence, and spade test to cycle endurance. The number on the card show the difficult level. The higher the number, the deadlier the game. What makes the story fascinating is how the games are not just random violence. They are cleverly designed psychological experiment that force the character to face their years, question their morality, and make impossible decisions. As the series progresses, Arisu meets a mysterious woman named Usagi, a mountain climber who has also lost everything in the Wonderland. Together, they form a deep bond as they try to uncover the truth about the world, are trapped in a how to escape from it. Number 2, The character and acting, the acting in in series Alice in Wonderland is truly outstanding. Kento Yamazaki, who plays Arisu or Alice, delivers a very emotional performance. He perfectly captures Ari's transformation from a lazy and unmotivated young man to someone who becomes brave, intelligent, and deeply compassionate. Ayaka Miyoshi as Usagi, also seen as she as strong, independent woman who struggle with loneliness and loss, but still find hope through Arisu friendship. Their chemistry feels natural and genuine, which make their journey together even more emotional and inspiring. The supporting character also play important roles. Each one represent different aspect of human nature. For example, Karube is like the heart of the group, brave, loyal, and willing to risk his life for his friend. Chota, and the other hand, is emotional and keen, showing the softer side of humanity in such a cruel world. Later in the story, we also meet the Beach, a community of survivors who live in luxury while collecting cards to complete the deck and supposedly win the game. But this place is far from paradise. It's full of lies, manipulation, and betrayal. It shows how easily humans can turn against each other when survival is at stake. Number 3. Theme and message. What I love most about in Alice in Wonderland is how it explores deep philosophical questions through thrilling action and suspense. It asks, what does it mean truly life? What makes life worth fighting for? The game symbolizes the struggle people face in real life. Competition, fear, or failure, loneliness, and the desire for purpose. The Wonderland itself could be seen a metaphor for the modern world, where people often feel lost, disconnected, and pressured to survive in a society that constantly tests them. Visually, the cinematography is stunning. The empty street of Tokyo create an eerie yet beautiful atmosphere. The sound design and background music also add a lot of tension and emotion. Every scene feels carefully crafted to make the audience feel both excitement and sadness at the same time. From me, closing guys, to sum up, Alice in Wonderland is more than just a survival thriller. It's a deep, emotional, and thought-provoking series that combines action, mystery, and philosophy in unique way. The plot is smart and unpredictable. The character are well developed, and the visuals cinematic. It keeps you on the edge of your seat while also making you think about the meaning of life, death, and human nature. Personally, I will give series Alice in Wonderland maybe 9 or 10 out of 10. It's one of those rare shows that entertain you, challenge your mind, and torture your heart all at once. If you enjoy maybe show like Squid Game or the Hunger Game, but want something with more emotional depth and Japanese storytelling style, then Alice in Wonderland is definitely worth watching. Thank you for listening my review, guys, and I hope this inspired you to watch or rewatch the series and maybe think a bit deeper about what it truly means to life. Thank you for attention, guys, and see you next the review time.